Good morning, good morning. Okay. I feel like I always start off typing and it's so obnoxious. All right, let me share this link. All right, it is Thursday, February 9th. I need to move my chop zone over, like my wording. All right, pasting that link everywhere. All right, where's my wording? Over here. This doesn't matter. It's literally like 5. Like that. All right, cool. All right, let's expand this. All right. Good morning, good morning. We had a good student call again this morning, so we're going live every morning with my students from 8:45 to 9:15. So a 30-minute call before this live, and we break down the NASDAQ, talk about, things that they've learned in the mentorship and how they can apply them. And yeah, it's going really well. I think I'm getting a lot of good feedback, so. Okay, I need to get on TikTok. Should I open fast today? I feel like lately I haven't had a lot. I have a lot of things up. Oh, oil is also 1 for 1 today. I have a lot going on here. I got ranges. oh wait, you know what I need to do? I need to turn this volume down because it's going to become annoying. All right, I'll wait a few more minutes to get on TikTok. But I put that QG up, which looks like it had a winner yesterday. Today it didn't take a trade yet. It has confirmation on. We'll have to see how this works out, because you can see some of these candles look a little illiquid. We prefer candles like this. Nice, strong candles. Oh, I was about to put my phone holder down. This needs to come up here to like this. I didn't fix that. ES. I'm testing that ES setup. Yesterday was my first day testing it live, and it did pretty well. Today is not doing as well. Oil was 1 for 1. We can look at that. So you can see this top of the box here. Some people have, on MCL, they get a little bit of different data. But on CL, which is the full oil contract, we only have the short. This was a nice retest. Do you see this? Oh. One of my students loves the oil. Like, once the oil trade ends, then he'll wait and get in another one. This was actually really nice, 77.93. Was I going to put one of these on a stock today, or I think I'm just going to wait. So the high here is like 17.18. See if we can break that. I have a level here at 19.20, 19.75. And then our target is 40. This is what we talked about in the group. Yep, so it broke that high. All right, let me get live. Should I load fast? I have gold scalper, which is green $50. It was green $350, but then it had a loss for $300. YM no trades. YM on scalper, no trades obviously so far. And Q Santa, no trades so far, which is normal. Nice. Nice idea, Kron. I love it. Pepe, not in the chat, bub. Into the student corner, please. Sounds good. All right. Let me get on TikTok. I'm trying to decide if I should load up fast or not. I have NQ range, CL range, ES range, RTY range. This little crazy thing, this crazy thing. This is the natural gas E-mini range, QG. I'm going to move this over. There's a lot going on. Yeah, I would get a bias, and you know where I would get a bias from, and then I stopped looking altogether, was on Twitter. I can't tell you how many times I would just glance at Twitter in the morning, and I'd be like, maybe laying in bed before, I'd get up, and people were like, oh, there's a huge sell coming, the market's gonna tank today. And then I would have this overall, like, bearish bias in my mind, and then I wasn't actually paying attention to the price action, and then I would try to fight the long. Like here I would be just like shorting, and it's like clearly things are telling me that I am wrong, but I am being stubborn in my biased opinion. So now, like, and I remember one day I just had enough, and I was like, going forward, I am no longer having a bias. I don't freaking care. I'm not looking at Twitter anymore because it's too influential. I'm going to just look at my chart, and that's how I'm going to determine what I'm doing for the day. So, yeah, that's that story. But, some people have maybe correct biases, but I just, it's not good for me. It's not good for me and my mental health. So I gave that up years ago. Sometimes I'll still get caught. Like the other day, I really saw, but this was off of price action. The other day, I really saw the price coming down on Monday, but then it didn't for a while, and then it did. It was like here or something under this 20, but then it still actually popped back up. So I guess I was wrong. The point is, don't get caught in your biases. See what the price is doing and act accordingly. All right, I didn't put fast on. It is what it is. Good morning. Welcome, TikTok. We've been on YouTube for the last 10 minutes. We've just been chatting it up. Oil was 1-for-1 overnight. That's the only live trade so far. I am testing some other things, some other funky, wacky things. Like this. Where's my danger? My danger. Danger isn't doing very well this morning. And today's Thursday, so I remind my students all the time, and people just in the group, Thursdays can be wonky. You want to just be kind of chill on Thursdays. Like, don't force anything. I have my tea. I already drank like most of my tea. I have a student session later tonight. Thank you, Jen, for posting the TikTok. So we're back to the chop zone. Kind of talked about this option too. It's good to have multiple options in mind. Is that gold? Gold is in a trade. I can show you guys that because it's been doing really, really well. It's green, like $1,800 this week on one mini. So I'm really liking this, and I'm probably going to release it to the group after this week. I really like it. It seems like commodities are really moving lately, and Joe pointed this out to me that I think when inflation, or I don't know about recession, I think he was saying when inflation is high, maybe commodities move more. So if that's the case, I can definitely tell with gold lately, because gold, I feel like gold all of 2022 was just crap. I don't know. And now I feel like it's doing better. Like it's been doing really well. What was it last week? Last week gold ended $2,530. The week before was $980. So $3,500 plus this week, which is another $2,000, $5,500 in 3 weeks on one mini. Like, that's insane. And on Monday this week, so Monday it only ended positive $20, but at one point it was green $800 at 9 a.m. on Monday. Do I feel like this candle's not moving? All right, so we're in a short of gold. That's the only thing. Oil already hit 1-for-1 overnight. Well, actually, it was kind of like late morning. So we had this short, so we made $300 on oil so far. Kind of peaked back into the chop zone and now pulling back out, back above that 12,700. Where's my gold? Where's my gold? There it is. And gold trades overnight too, kind of like oil, so I think people like that. Obviously, unless there's some weird overnight error. But if there's not, it's nice to wake up. Like this morning, I woke up and I was like, oh, gold's green $350. So it's nice. And then oil's green $300. That's $650 for sleeping. You're getting paid to sleep. Day trading Twitter is brutal, but maybe long-term trends, it can help. Good to know, MVM. You have fast and sim. Yeah, fast is crap. It's good for, oh, here we go, gold. It's good for entertainment value. That's why I really like fast. I thought it could actually be a thing. It's only good when the market is super, super choppy. Like in a channel of 20 points going back and forth every time. That's it. If you guys appreciate the stream, yeah, because the dollar depreciates. That makes sense, Gary. If you guys appreciate the stream, please tap the screen. Give a thumbs up in YouTube. There's almost 60 of you and only 12 likes. Please hit the thumbs up. Please. I know my students would love if I didn't do these live streams anymore and I just extended their call. Give a thumbs up for that. So I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, showing you, and maybe I'll stay on later today because I don't have any early morning commitments. Gold is green, $200 here on the short. John said I'd like that. I don't have a student session until tonight, so I'm willing to stay on longer with you guys. All right, gold is guaranteed green. You can see that the stop loss moved itself down. So this is the stop loss that was in a negative value before, and now it's in a positive value because it's in front of the entry. Green, $300 on this short. This is the trail stop. This is the trail stop. No other trades happening yet. We're back into the chop zone. I'm just going to focus here on gold for now since there's no other trades running at the moment. If we get a Santa trade or a YM scalper trade, I'll make sure to put that in the front. Whoa, $400. I am clicking the screen as fast as you hit your keyboard. Oh, I love it. Potato. Keep doing it. Tap, 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 tap. There's only 1 point. Tap, tap, tap. Your fingers must be kind of slow. Listen, I type much faster than that. Oh, Dana, I don't have pink turned on. Justin runs it. So pink is in a short. Very cool. I love pink. I need to just put pink live every day. And if, if it's under the values that we talk about, then just manually manage it. But if it's not, just kind of let it do its thing. But, oh, Pepe. Oh, Pepe. You're the best. Potato is Pepe. Pink is in a short. So yeah, so gold is doing a good job here. No other trades happening on my platform right now. So Justin helps me. He's running pink. He's running natural gas. He's running 6E, which is the euro. He's running silver and copper. I'm about to release those too. Like, well, silver has kind of been blah, blah, blah. But copper has done really well. Copper and natural gas and gold have been killing it the past few weeks. I don't have data before that. That's why I only say the past few weeks. Like copper this week, well, it just today, right now, it's red 400. It's still green 600 on the week. Natural gas is green 800 on the week. I don't know why silver is having such a hard time. Maybe we need to tinker with the settings. Thanks for the likes, y'all. And then we're testing this ES thing, but right now it's not great. I was really excited. And now it's kind of like flopping. I feel like gold and the NASDAQ usually run opposite each other, but then sometimes they don't, which is weird. Sometimes they run together. ES is in a $200 short on this. The danger ranger. I can make that stop loss smaller because that's just like pointless. Everything's pulling back a little. Let's see. If you guys want more information on the algorithm, which trades for you, you just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. If you have any questions, you can also put them in the chat. Good morning. How are you? Today's Pam's birthday. Happy birthday, Pam. She joined last night as a gift to herself. Hi, Lauren. Just joined the group yesterday and wanted to say you and your team are amazing. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. Can I take a screenshot of that without messing up the stream? Cool. I appreciate it. Thank you. We try, and I kind of talked about this yesterday. Like, I expect a lot from them. Because if I'm not going to be the one that's your main contact, I have to make sure the people that are giving the same, like, white glove service that I would give. Customer service is really important to me. Especially for people that are paying me a lot of money. You know, it's just like I want to give good customer service even for people like free on the live stream, but I want to give the best service to the people in my group. The best. All right, so gold is in the short. ES is still in the short. Oh, what is this? Oh, no. Oh, that's that other thing that I'm just stupidly testing. This is, all right, let's see if ES can hit this target. The target's 500. It's got to get below this 41.55. Gold is still kind of hanging out in the same area while ES and NQ are dropping. ES is green, $325. Pink is $800 so far. Nice, with 2 minis. So $400 with 1 mini on pink so far. Very nice. Dana, I'm assuming you got the same thing. No, this is not ES range. This is ES special. Gonna be trying to speak another language. Not recommended. So oil's kind of just, I mean, gold is kind of just hanging out while the indices are dropping. 350 on this ES short. Gold is 280. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I'm going to just let that bounce around. I was trying to see if gold was going to be a little more entertaining. Those are the only 2 trades that are running right now. Remember, oil was 1 for 1 overnight for $300. That was this. Look at this continuation, though. And that's where it comes into play, where my students then use the algorithm at their advantage to take even more trades. All right, $400 on this ES short. Santa went short also. My Santa's not in a short. Oh, no, my Santa's not in a short. Nah, sadly. $700 on pink. ES is the S&P 500. I don't know what ticker that is in forex. What do you guys call it? What is it? I don't know. So ES is the S&P 500, NQ is the NASDAQ, YM is the Dow, and RTY is the Russell. All right, turning around a little bit here. What's gold doing? Gold's doing the same thing. I might change the offset on this. Again, I'm just testing this. But this is how my members use the algorithm, like I was saying, to take more trades. Like, there's a pattern that I teach in my mentorship, and this is perfect. Like this is perfect. So yes, you already made $300 on this short, but then you would have taken the short again, probably in this area, 77.94, or even like 77.84, and then it dropped to 25. That's 60 ticks in oil. That's $600. So $600 on a manual trade, because I taught you how to trade, and you're also leveraging the algorithm, and then $300 from the algorithm. So it's $900 on 1 mini of oil on 2 trades. Oh, I just didn't call it. Well, no, so we call it ES because that's the name in NinjaTrader. And not NinjaTrader, in all of futures. Because, King, you trade forex, right? So forex and futures have different names. It's the E-mini, the S&P 500, its actual ticker is ES. I am now in a short of Santa. We should go and hit this target here for ES. Yeah. So ES is the name in the futures market. But it stands for the E-mini S&P 500. So ES, NQ, GC, CL, YM, RTY, SI, NG. Excuse me. Most of them are pretty easy to figure out. Like NG is natural gas. Like SI is silver. SIL is the micro silver. Oh, they're trying, but then they keep buying it back up down here. Gold is green, 400. Gold finally, it turned back around and kept going. Thank you. YM's in a long. Santa short locked up $700. Nice job. I did not get that freaking short. Good job to you guys. See, and that's the difference. And my YM is... Oh, my YM is in a trade. My YM's in a short, Kyle. I don't know what's going on with your data. I feel like something... Green 400 on this. It could just be... No, it really shouldn't be a slight oversight because look at this line. Do you have a solid line at the bottom? Probably because your stuff... right, so the short on YM was a loss for $100. Gold is still in this short. ES is still in this short, but it's coming back to the entry, which is not fun. But again, I'm just testing that. So I need an example. Well, I'll pull one in a little bit. Oh, is it? I didn't even notice. What are my students saying in their private channel? Mystic Mac? I don't even know who that is. Well, I kind of give both, so people might say I like play the fence. Good job. Yep, exactly, Cash. Good job. 100%. 100%. All right, where are we at? This is coming back essentially to entry. Gold is still green, $310. Any example? What's an example? These are the examples, the trades themselves. The algorithm is trading. It got short off of this candle, and now the price is down here. This is the profit, and this is the size of the contract. Carter, are you feeling better? Are you feeling better? Does that make sense, Louise? Oh, wait. Are you like the Louise that joined last night? Because then I won't be mean to you. Alex was like, he'll probably be on the live stream tomorrow and he'll probably have questions. Don't be mean to him. Well, I don't know. Good. I'm glad. See how I'm saying that I'm, thank you, King. That I'm nicer to the people in my group. Y'all, it needs to be red. When I tell you students, it needs to be thick and red. It is so serious. Zoop, 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 zoop. Good morning. Hi. How are you? We're kind of just hanging out today. Not a lot of crazy stuff happening. My Santa is 0 for 2, but I know some people got like a $700 short, which makes me sad. This week, so you can also we're typing in caps. What? Oh, you guys, this new QG range is in a trade. It's in a long. Let's see what happens there. Oh, we're coming back out of the chop zone. We already discussed our ultimate target on the day, and we'll see. Maybe that's going to play out here soon in the next bit of time. Is Santa in a long? Santa's in a long. Let me show you guys that because I haven't been able to show you any Santa trades today. Nice job, Amber. YM is minus 115. YM and Santa are having a hard time this week. I think it's just the action that's happening because they're both pretty similar with settings. So I will after the live stream. All right, looks like Santa's going to have another loss here. Yep. Now it's in a short. This market's kind of confused. Whoa, all right. Well, this short might make up for it. Here we go. Was there a report? No, it's 953. Is gold still in this trade? Gold took profit. Gold is $200 on the day. So the high was 350, then it had a loss, and then it took this other short. But that short was green like 400 at one point. YM is also in a short. All right, it hit the offset there. YM is still in the short. The way you speak. Also, when you're trying to... Yeah, it sounds exactly the same, Jen. It's so easy to tell when I'm annoyed. But I'm not annoyed today, which is good. Oh, let's scooch YM in here because Santa already hit the offset, but YM is still dropping. So YM is green 135 on this short. $140. This will make YM green on the day if it can continue down here. Oh, also that ES that kind of pulled all the way back before is now back in the 400 area. The danger zone. Oh, wait, where's my YM? If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. My Instagram is linked in my TikTok bio, but it's the same as my TikTok, which is just boldbot1_. But it's easiest to just email me because, you know, social media. Emails are the easiest, because even if you message me on social media, I'm going to say, oh, okay, well, if you want more info, what's your email address? And then I'm going to send you the informational email. Nice job, Jared. Very nice, very nice. I love it. Okay, so I guess it wasn't that Louise, which makes me feel better because he's not responding, so he's probably not awake yet. Oh, ES, this ES trade is almost at target. It's back to 400. It's in a long now. So it took profit. It made only like $250 or something. And now it's in a long. We're still in just this section of the chop zone. Kind of talked about what this looked like yesterday. What's going on? YM is green, $95. I'm trying to look at the top, see what's happening. Santa is in a long, but YM is still in this short. So we'll see who wins. And YM's flagging another short here. ES is long and Q is long, but YM is short. And sometimes it can work out okay. Sometimes YM and R2Y, you know, they can do kind of something a little different than the NASDAQ. I don't know why I keep yawning. I thought I slept well. I guess I didn't. I never know. I never know. You guys have to let me know, well, Justin will, how NQ Pink ends, since it was in that short. Look at this wick. Look at this candle. Nasty. Nasty candle. So Santa's in this long, green, $140. ES is also in a long because of that other one that I was just showing you. It flopped. YM is $190 in the short. So YM is guaranteed green at this point. Oh, NQ hit the offset, so that's not bad. So it wasn't a loss for Santa. And like the losing days it's had, like Monday was horrible, but like Tuesday was $600 and today is red 400. So they're not like horrible numbers. It's just we typically do really well with Santa that we expect more. All right, 375 on this YM short. That QG is just kind of like at break even. YM. This NQ is green 360. Now it's green 440. We'll see about that. We will see about that. But it has small target and it takes a lot of trades. If you're considering joining, I urge you to. I just joined. I'm very pleased with the product. Thanks, AE. I don't know if you want to tell me your name. It would be easier to say thank you than your username. I appreciate the kind words. All right, so YM is still in this short. And that's it, really. The QG is in a long, but it's not really doing much. If you guys want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, it's Alyssa. Oh, awesome. Thanks, Alyssa. Happy to hear. Oh, we're in a short for Santa too, which is green $130, $190. Guaranteed green. Oh, this might be a nice recovery. If Santa really wants it. Oh, no. I spoke too soon. I was going to say, if it wants to move down and break that 650, that would probably induce a nice drop. But no. This is what we mean when we say NQ moves so fast. You see how YM has been in this trade the whole time and NQ has taken like 3 trades at the same time? Yeah, she's in the group, Carter. She just joined yesterday. Okay, this person. You said this yesterday, so clearly you're just a bot just talking about NVIDIA. What? Nobody cares about NVIDIA. All right, YM finally took profit there. So YM is green $55 on the day, which, you know, isn't great, but it's better than being red, I guess. Gold is green 200. Oil is green 300. Santa is still red, but only 375 now. Oopsies. I put green. All right, YM is now in a long. Where are we at in really? We are really holding this 73. Oh, well, then it goes. Let me just say something and then we'll do the opposite. He was trying to hold this 73 level. Do you see this? Do you see how hard it's like having a tug of war in this area? QG is green $12. YM is in the long. Where's YM? What? YM? YM's in the long. Okay, Santa is going to be red today. Okay. And then be like, I'll show you. No, because then when I say that, people are just going to get out. And then if it does go green, they'll be like, damn it, I got out. Lauren said it's going to be red today. Nice. I always call you ACH, or I could call you Rana. He made $1,825. He traded oil on the range, YM scalper, and Santa scalper. Nice job. $1,850. He's done for the day, or $1,825, and he's done for the day. Oh yes. He probably has a $10,000 account, so he made 20%. Most people have between like $5,000 account and $10,000 account. Let's see if this one plays out this time. I was trying to take a short. If we can break 650, we can short. But we are in the middle of the chop zone, so it's still not ideal. We're green $25 on QG. This brand new mini natural gas. All right, so we had a loss on that NQ short. It is just like, what? What? Being accounted for what amount of funding is needed for the setup. Yeah, so the minimum amount of funding is $3,000. They typically say like 2 to 3K. And then you would be trading micros, because unless you have at least 7 to 10K, you can't trade minis. And there's a lot of indecision here. Do we have Justin posted about the reports last night. Oh, Thursday at 10:30 is natural gas report, so we got to be aware of that. That's in 25 minutes, but that's it. There's nothing else happening that would lead to this weirdness. No, you don't need multiple monitors. So this is just one screen. This is my VPS, and it's just one. That's all you need. And then you don't need some special computer either, because you're going to be using the VPS, and the VPS does, like, it has storage and its own computer and blah blah blah. So you just need something to load the VPS essentially. So a laptop or a regular computer or whatever. Good morning, royalty. Let's see if we can hold this 73, but ES is in this long. $62. You see how NQ keeps having a hard time right here? This is such a weird area. There we go. QG is green $25. YM's in a trade, green $40. YM is in a long. YM's green on the day. Santa is not. Gold is green 200. Oil is green 300. That's it so far. Oh, did everyone see the update of R2Ys? Oh, I'm so tired. I'm going to take a nap today. Student corner. Literally. Just look how thick you made it, Dana. You made it so thick. I'm trying to find... Alright, we're green. We're in this long. ES is in a long green. $200. This. And then YM is a long... that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find a new ES setup. Or at least like maybe one that has other options. Oh, you guys, QG is green $62. Look at this move on QG. It's also obviously going into the report of natural gas, but it still has 20 minutes. And the target's like $700 or something. Something pretty big. So we'll see if it happens at the report. I love it. Dana, I love it. So YM is in this long, QG is in a long, ES is in a long. They're all green. Yeah, no, VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. It's a private server that you, like, a company builds it for you, and the only person that can access it is you. And you can put whatever you want on it. So, you know, like, if you don't have enough storage on your regular computer, people will get a VPS for, like, maybe a program that takes up a lot of storage or something like that. I use it for trading because NinjaTrader needs to be on a really strong internet connection and a really strong power connection. And therefore the VPS gives us that. Also, NinjaTrader is a desktop only platform. So if you don't have the VPS, you're not able to access the NinjaTrader unless you're on just one computer. But on the VPS, I can log into the VPS in many different places. So as long as I log in, then I can see it and I can access it. All right, YM's turning down. You know, these things are kind of all over the place. Santa's in a short. The market is just kind of crazy today. This whole week has been weirdly weird. Now YM is back up to break even and Santa took another loss. Yeah, it's very choppy. If we go back to this, look, we are in the chop zone and we can't seem, but we are actually holding that 73. That 12,673 is looking pretty nice. But it's tried so many times to hold it and it hasn't been able to, and now, I don't know, maybe it will. YM is still in the long. ES is in this long. $175. It's a big push here on ES. YM's right around even. YM's not doing anything at the moment. It's 10:11. I'm freezing. I don't know why I'm so cold. QG is still green. It's green $50 here. No. Janice, you've literally been in this stream for like 3 months. What? Santa is one of the nicknames for one of the strategies that we use. No, there's no fundamentals. Now, I don't use fundamentals for anything anyway, but if you want to learn technicals, then you could take my mentorship and learn how to manually trade. But no, the algorithm does not require any of that. You could literally know nothing about anything and still use the algorithm. You could have just been born Well, that's not really true because you have to be 18 years old to trade. But that's what I mean. You could have been born in a cave and now you're 18 and you want to use the algorithm. Yes, that would be fine. I can attest to that. See, Nobo said the same thing. He agrees. In agreement. The danger zone isn't a long. YM isn't a long, but it's literally just tracking sideways. I keep yawning and I don't know why. I might need to get some coffee and I don't like coffee. Are we back below 73? I swear. Oh no, NQ is still holding 73. It's like NQ wants to go higher, but maybe, I don't know, some of the other indices don't. Yeah, same. I'm using it. I know nothing. Hope to change that. Yeah, and then once you make profit on the algorithm, you can get the mentorship, and then you'll know everything. Everything there is to know. Everything that I know. And we do a live stream every morning now just for the students, which is a lot of fun. I don't trade coins. I don't trade crypto. If anybody messages you about crypto, it's not me. If they follow you and they look like me, it's not me. I promise you. Please be aware. Please, please, please. QG is still in the long. Remember, there's going to be a report at 10:30 for natural gas. So that's going to affect that for sure. ES is green, $75. YM is red, $40. Santa's not in a trade. Santa's printing. How dare they hold NQ back? I know, right? Let her live. Let her get out of this box you have her in. It's not fair. Life is not fair. Let her go. Let her make new highs. I'm getting delirious. I really just want to stay on past 10:30 so I can see what happens with QG with this report. ES is green, $100. YM is still just like flat. If you guys have any questions about the algorithm or my mentorship, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. ES is green, $150. YM is now red, $5. QG is red, $50. Where's that other? Oh, 2. I still have to pick out a desk chair. Like, I need a desk chair. Like, I have one right now, but I want to buy, like, a nice one. But I can't decide on, like, one that's nice, but also I like it. I don't know. Probably one of those ergonomic chairs. Santa's in a long. So, ES is green, $300 here. YM is green, $80. QG is green, $25. And YM is flagging again, so that's good. The target on ES is 64.50. Green 95 on this YM long. Remember, YM is green, $55 on the day. But Santa is red. Santa needs to play catch up. Sometimes it will have like a really crappy first 30 or 45 minutes and then it does better. So I feel like if you're going to run it, you can't really give up on it. Like if it does well at the beginning, then yeah, you can take your $500, $700, $1,000 and be done. But I don't think you can give up on it when it's red like this. I don't know. Maybe some people think they could, but... It's just This market is blah this week. Not great. Not great. Herman Miller airing chair is the way to go. Okay, let me look that up. I had one at my old job that I really liked. Herman Miller airing chair. Alright, cool. It's coming up. Yeah, that's very similar to what I had at my old job. But I don't like those thick handle arm rests. But yeah, I like that it's open. That's exactly what I want. Oh, on sale, $6.25. Where it's open at the bottom and the top, and then it has that nice, like, supportive cushion where you lean against it and it kind of springs back. I like that. Thank you for suggesting that. Ooh, there's another one. It's like $1,000 though. This one looks nice. I think that is the only difference, the wheels and the headpiece. I don't need a headpiece. Yeah, but this is exactly what I was looking for. Thank you. Whoever's on stream said crashes. Thank you. How much are you currently trading with? So I have a $10,000 account. Some of these are just being tested and some of them are live. Like this is live. This is being tested. This is being tested. QG's only green $12 now. And then I'm not in any of their trades right now. Yeah. Cool, cool. See if we can get out of this chop zone. They're on Amazon too. Well, they probably just third party with Amazon or something. Oh my gosh, this one's like $1,700. That's crazy. So yeah, with a $10,000 account, a daily average would be anywhere from like $500 to $1,000 on average. Typically, on average, I make like $4 to $6K a month with a $10,000 account. Lately, we've added some new products, so then you're able to, like, it depends how many things you trade. So if you're only trading one product, like say the NQ, maybe you're only going to make $2,000 for the month. But if you diversify, so like I'm running the NQ and the Dow and the Russell and the S&P 500, and then I'm going to start running gold because gold's been doing really well, and probably natural gas because that's been doing really well. Look at how choppy this is, y'all. We get out of the chop zone and then it sucks it right back in. So yeah, so that's how it kind of depends, but yeah. Nice job, Brian. Ooh, I kind of like this one, $6.50. In stock. Herman Miller. Oh, this is a different one. Mira. I kind of like this, the way this one looks better. In stock. Delivery. Next week. Yeah, sure thing. Oh, finally, we're out of the chop zone. ES is green, 262 on this long, 250. It's 10:21. I really want to see what happens with the natural gas report. I would probably be a little weary running, like being in a trade during that report because it's really crazy. Just like the oil report on Wednesdays is super crazy. What are we in? Sorry. Oh, gold is in a trade. Look, gold is like my favorite right now. Gold is in a trade. Should we watch gold? Gold is trying this short again. Are you really typing something? Yeah, I'm typing over here. This is like my group. So I have a group of 230 members, and sometimes they ask me questions, or sometimes they'll post something that I want to respond to, and that is what I'm typing. Or if someone's posting a question in YouTube, YouTube's over here, so if I'm responding to YouTube, I have to answer over there. And my phone is just oddly placed right above my keyboard, so people on TikTok hear it the loudest. So I apologize, but gold is green, $110 on the short. I'm going to be typing again. When people look at the numbers, they're like, oh, I'm going to just run Santa. Santa is like my man. But then when people run Santa, they get emotional because they're staring at the losses. And I know, like, obviously losses suck. R2Y's in a short. I don't think I have this. I'm going to have to change the one that this is pointing to because I have it on that ES one. But, so that's why you gotta figure, and that's why I tell people everything should be based off of the losses, not based off of the wins. It's really easy to say, oh, I want to do this because, you know, the wins look great. Well, it's not about the wins. Can you handle the losses? Can your mental stability handle the losses? No? Then don't run it. All right, R2I is green. What else? Gold is in a short. RTY is in a short. And QG is still in that long. Remember the report for, oh, here we go. This is finally the short that we've wanted. And Santa's not even in this. That's the annoying part. Like, you can't really control. R2Y is about to hit target. No, Gary. No, Gary. We don't bust stuff like that in there. Gary. All right, guaranteed green on R2Y. Nice. Rishi got RTY. I am like one tick short of the target. Do you see this? All right, I hit the offset. It is what it is. I made money. $90. Cool. All right, RTY, that trade is over. Is that, look, y'all, look at this. Look at that, look at that short. And now it's in a long. Remember, I'm just testing this. I want to see what happens with QG here because the report's about to come out any second. It's about to be 10:30. In 50 seconds. Gold is green $320 on this short, y'all. What? I left my baby and it's dropping like crazy. Y'all, this gold has been awesome. All right, I got to be ready for this QG or whatever. Let's see what happens. I still have 15 seconds. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yeah, if you want to know how to technically read the charts, take my mentorship. My mentorship, it doesn't even matter. And if you've taken courses before, it's nothing like mine. I don't know. At least that's what I hear. People tell me that. Oh, there we go. Look, this is the natural gas report. This is on the E-mini natural gas. We're green, $125 here. They had a report. They have a report, like an inventory report every week. Green 125. Oh, we're still green 400 on this gold short. YM is in a short. $10. Listen, don't put tickers in the chat because it doesn't matter. I'm not going to look them up. I don't trade coins. I don't trade crypto. I only trade futures. These are all futures. This is gold, natural gas, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the Russell. If you want more information, soon for a screenshot of this. Is it? Nice job, Kenny. Whoa, $500 on this short with the gold. YM is in a short. YM and gold are in shorts, and then that QG is in that long still. I do trade the S&P 500. It's right here. It's just not in a trade right now. It's right here. It's also right here. Don't worry. I got the S&P 500. We finally broke that 650. I don't know why I have hiccups. Probably because I'm hungry. That natural gas report didn't do enough. Where's gold at? Gold is my baby. Oh my gosh. Dana is the reason that this has come to fruition. Like, all hail Dana, because this is awesome. This is NinjaTrader. Yep. A busted account today. Oh no, don't do that. Green $500 on this gold. And gold already locked up 300 on the day. So whatever gets here, we'll add it to that. And then it's pretty much done. Yeah. So All right, so we're in this. What else? NQO, Santa's in a long. Guaranteed green here. I'll stay in a little bit longer. Oh, it already hit the offset. It tried. What is happening? Sorry, I have to take a picture of something. Yeah, shouldn't do that. Just use the algorithm. Get out of here. That is not true. Every other time it just has a loss. Get out of here, Brian. Listen, I'm just over here drooling with gold. That's the only thing I really care about is gold. Let's be honest, okay? Let's be honest. Can you tell I'm typing in almost capital letters? What? All right, I'm going to get off of here. Sorry. Oh, well, gold is still going. $460 on the gold short. I think what's his face is right. This is GC gold. Now I have to highlight things that I said last night. And I literally tagged her name. All you have to do is click on the blue. All right, I'm going to get off of here because I have people to yell at. You need a VPS. The VPS is in the informational email. If you just email me, I can get that over to you. typing so much. Santa is red. It's definitely red. Let's see. Where? 950. 950. It's in a short right now. Gold is still going. Yes, that is 100% what I need, Pepe. I'm going to post this in. If you ever see this, this is totally what I need you guys to look out for. All right, I'm going to get off of here. I don't know why I'm still on this live stream. I'm just working while on live. If you guys want to watch this gold trade or whatever, I'll stay on here, but I'm sorry I'm going to be typing and kind of focused on the group. All right, cool. What are some of the biggest profits you've seen before or heard? Well, I don't know. Kenny makes like $50,000 a day. I taught him how to trade in 2020. What did he make today? Look, he made $22,000 today already. So yeah, I don't know. He made $50,000 yesterday, $50,000 the day before. Probably like that. Thanks for the follows, guys. Oh, whoa, we're in a $300 short with Santa. See, Santa's trying to make it up. This is what Santa does. If it has a bad first 30, 40 minutes, in this case, 60 minutes, then it tries. Look, if I say anything, Brian's going to yell at me, so I'm not going to say anything. Oh, silver's in a nice short, too, for $775. Nice. Haha, Kenny said... Or you can take Lauren's course and put in the time, and then the chop doesn't always matter. That's so true. Listen, I didn't say anything, Brian. I did not say anything. Don't come for me on this Santa trade. Gold is still green, $450. $490. Gold is green, $490. Silver is green, $775. It depends. Sometimes $500. Sometimes, $3,000, $4,000. It depends. It depends. I definitely don't make $50,000 a day like Kenny. I do not take the sizing that he takes. Someone needs to beat me with a stick and not oversize these damn Apex. I'm up $15,000. How much are you total this morning? So gold is still in this trade, so that's a hard one. But say gold ends right here, that would be 700 or 300 with oil. So that's 1,000. RTY is $90, so 1,100. And that's about it. ES is red on SIM. YM is red $300. So then that takes me down to 800. So green 800 on the day so far. What is it called? What is that word I'm looking for? Averages? No. Probabilities? Yep, I just posted that, Dennis, in the announcements. It's not good for the stress levels in your brain. Gold is green $620 on this short. And I think silver is in like the same trade. So silver's probably green like $1,000 now. So Frank, I'm assuming you meant how can you get it? Just email me, Bolt. Yeah, I run the bot all day. The futures market is open 23 hours a day. Yep. So, oh God, Bolt. You can just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Courage. He doesn't use a forex account. I'll tell you that much. And he doesn't have $500,000 in there. I'll tell you that much. It might get cold by the time. I don't know what that means. Yeah, these are called futures. That's how it works. He has in that account. He started it with $30,000 in January. Oh, David. How's it really? Yeah, I know. Because these people are having lots of questions today and they pay me a lot of money, so I have to answer their questions. But I said if you guys wanted to see the rest of this gold trade that I would stay on here. Typically, I get off at 10:30 every day. All right, I'm going to get off of here. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow, 9:30. Bye. Bye, YouTube.